Hello, class. Today we are going to discuss George Washington. Yes, the first ever President of the United States of America. We are going to look at the History Channel website because of their countless and amazing amount of information, and it is free, which makes it even better. Our nation was born and fresh from the war with England and in need of a leader. Reluctantly, their former army commander took the position after being convinced that the people needed him for his leadership and integrity. Originally desiring to return home after battle and be a gentleman farmer, but soon found that would not be in the cards for him. He went on to win the first ever election handedly against John Adams, who became his vice president. George Washington would go on to a second term as president, again reluctantly, but knowing the nation needed him. This is a lot like today's presidential elections, where we are elected based on electoral votes. Each state has a different amount based on the amount of representatives they possess. You might remember in 2000, Al Gore won popular vote, but George W. Bush won the electoral vote, making him the newly elected president of the United States.